Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to print a counter on HP. It's gonna be HP 500, but also it can be called 525. So we're going to show you how to do the counter. So you go on your left, then try to say reports. After reports, say configuration pages, then you can say usage page. There you can do that, then you say you can display on the screen. Let's see what's gonna happen. You can see this machine has done grand total of 60. No, there's total here 121,000. This is the total, but scans, these are scans. Then this count by scan destination. Okay, that's count by scan destination. And this is print, this is copy, this is fax. So it means it's sitting on 121,000. So it's broken in two parts. These are copy. You can see the size is A4 and all that, 19,000. You can see also the first one. You can see, go and read each and every paper size, how much you printed. In most cases, this one is A4 also, A4 19,000. That's why it's always the same like on here. But though it added some of these small things, but these are A4, match A4, you print match A4. So well, after that you might need to print. You can print it out. Yeah, we've done a printout, or whatever I explained, it comes here on the paper. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm keeping the record this one because the client always tell me that when I give them cartridge they don't make a lot of copies. So that's what I wanted to show you. So I wanted to show you, yeah, the machine number is here. This is the machine number 525 LaserJet 500 MPF M525. Okay, that's it. So she said that this thing doesn't print. You said the tray doesn't print. I'm gonna do another copy. There's some copies here. Yeah, there's some page. I'm gonna show people how we go here back. Oh, say okay, it's fine. Okay, reports, configuration. Then I'm gonna say usage. I'm gonna print. It should print. Sorry. You can see. Let's compare the two, because the first time we did 121,931, right? 0.2. Yeah. Then 121,930. So it means, yeah, we made more copies here. Yeah, before. This is before, this is after. Yeah, that's why I can see more here, less here. Yeah, well, that's it, guys. Thanks. Let's go back home. Also, you can go here, other pages, this PSL font, demonstration pages, okay, there are many sections anyway. Let me finish that. Cancel. Wanna go home? What? Okay. Okay, you can click here. Yeah, now we're home, you can see. Yeah. Well, guys, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. So that's it. I wanted to show you how to do the counter. Let me see.
told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I'm looking, gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Try to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your